My Cub Cadet won't start. Here's what's going on. So I started taking it apart here, but I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on. Here's what it sounds like when you try to start it. That ain't right. So now it's time to figure out what's wrong. So I've had this lawnmower for about 3 years. I have 2 acres of land. It's done a really good job so far. It's been a really good lawnmower. Now, when it broke down, I was starting it. It made a huge cracking noise from over here, and then it was never the same after that, never started after that. So I believe it's the starter. I picked up a new starter, sent this to me on Amazon. It was like 42 bucks. Really good price for this. Normally they're around 63 bucks or so. So I'm gonna install this and see if that'll do the trick. I met Drew Pearson. Let me hold the Super Bowl ring. Said if I drop it, he'd kick my ass. Well, it's definitely broken. Look at this. So no question about it, the starter is out. All right, so I replaced the starter. Wait, there's Earl. Get down, Earl Campbell. All right, watch how good this thing starts now. Well, that was it. And away we mow. Hello. Sorry, didn't mean to startle you. All right. So it was an easy fix, and now I can get back to mowing again.